Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and minimizing risk. Unplug the monitor and wait 5 to 10 minutes so internal capacitors discharge. Once done, strap on an anti-static band to protect boards. Make sure to remove the stand and locate T5 or T8 screws. Loosen them while keeping each screw group labeled. Then use a plastic pry tool to separate the bezel slightly, start at a corner, and work slowly to avoid cracking the housing. This gets you into the panel without delay. Once the back is open, locate and unplug the power board and the LVDS or EDP cable. You must release small locking clips. Press gently and pull straight to avoid bending pins. Next, remove any mounting brackets securing the LCD to the chassis and inspect for thin adhesive strips. Score them minimally if needed. Support the panel using 2 suction cups, then lift straight up to detach from the frame. Make sure to keep the panel flat and avoid twisting, because flexing will damage You position the replacement panel flat on the chassis and reconnect the LVDS or EDP cable. Press the latch until it clicks, then reattach the power connector and any inverter leads. Once connected, power the monitor on for a functional test before snapping the bezel back in place. Inspect backlight, color, and dead pixels. If everything is good, reassemble in reverse order and torque screws gently. If you get no image, recheck cable seating and connector orientation. If still dead, swap the cable or test the power board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.